Okay, what did you make?
A car wash.
Okay.
And now for...
Was that cute?
What is that, the blowers?
Yeah. And now, hey!
Don't eat your cars.
And you make it dirty.
Oh, now you're beating the cars up.
I like the car wash better. Not to beat the car.
Yeah, I was trying to...
Show off. Very talented child. Good imagination.
That's hilarious.
Huh?
Good imagination.
Hey, look!
Okay, now put them up.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Can
Like
I let
your,
the camera meet Joe?
you like your new playroom, Jimmy?
Yeah.
Okay, Taylor wants us to meet Joe.
Say hello to it's a friend. Like it?
When did you get that?
My birthday.
Hello!
You need to figure out a place for all this stuff.
I know.
Hello! How you think of my car wash?
Everybody like my bed spray?
I like your car wash.
Thank you.
Everybody like my bed spray? Yeah. I got that for my birthday too.
Hey,
It's my favorite.
Yep.
Mommy!
What? You want to show your room?
First, we have to show this room.
I already got that room.
Okay.
I gotta go turn on.
Rims, baby.
Hold on. I gotta pull your light up here. Okay.
Rims.
See that? Look, my TV
Mhm.
and some little stuff.
Yeah, we gotta clean that up. That's from the cable
and
guy.
I have an attic.
Hey, that's my pillow.
See?
Yeah.
And
This is my pillow.
And this is my cupboard and my blinds.
Your blinds?
Yep. And look what they do. Hey.
I know. Let's not do it. We don't want to break them.
Okay. And look what my closet do.
Is there anything else we need to?
Look.
He has a little dressing room.
And look.
Oh, he has a
Jimmy,
mirror.
Show your dressing room.
Okay.
Watch, you made a dressing room. Watch. Wait.
No.
That and then wait, yeah.
Okay.
And
This
look.
is dressing room. He can get dressed and comb his hair.
Hello. What's going on? Okay, let's show downstairs.
Okay.
And these are stairs.
All right.
And wood.
And the wood.
See, I fell down the stairs yesterday.
Hey, look! TV.
You can see Jim
Oh, yeah.
And look, Buddy. Buddy. And Daddy.
Kind of dark in here.
And Daddy.
There's Daddy. Okay.
And a bathroom.
We gotta turn on the light because we can't see it.
No.
That's the
How
fan.
much charge on
And
you?
look, a bathroom. And look out.
Ooh, what's out there?
A pool.
A pool. Okay.
And this is our house.
Here's our dungeon where we keep all the people who we don't like and we kill
It's
them.
dark in there.
Yeah.
That's our dungeon. We trap people in there, especially Jimmy when he's bad.
Okay.
Okay.
Anyway,
That's gonna be our DVD case.
Look here.
so outside we should
And
go.
these
Rocket pool.
And this is our backyard. Our backyard have a pool.
Yep.
And a can.
Yeah, we don't need the can. That's our cigarette can.
See, look, I'm putting my foot in the water.
No, you're not.
Really? God, you gotta ruin our crib.
Hey, look. And look.
There's nothing in there.
And Buddy's walking.
Yep.
This is my cup of water. It's very talented.
And this is our kitchen.
Our kitchen.
Honey, And look.
Hold on, let's flip on a light.
And look, our stove.
Our stove.
Oh, yeah.
And look.
Okay, anything else?
Look, and my tree. Look over there.
Oh, it's Joe again.
Okay. Our fridge.
Yeah, there's nothing in there.
Except for Pepsi.
Oh, we got our drinks.
Yep. And
Okay.
look, in here.
Yeah, that's a mess.
Yep, and buddies.
That's blankets that need to be washed. Yep, Buddy
One more
again.
cat, buddy.
Yep.
And look, our table.
Woo!
Oh, very cool.
And look at this. Oh, woo, woo, woo.
Okay.
Very good.
Now where are we gonna go?
Okay. Let's show wash.
No, we don't need the garage.
Okay.
Let's show your bedroom.
Yes.
What do we have here? The dining room.
And we can know it's Buddy's room.
Huh?
This is our
Okay.
dining room, which is known as Buddy's room.
Yeah. And come here.
This isn't Buddy's room.
Pretty much.
Okay.
Hi, Mom. You gotta remember our crib. This is Mommy's room.
And this
Another
is the
rack.
bathroom.
I just took a bath and it's very pleasant.
And look at this. This is such a mess. And there's bubble baby.
Bubbles. This is Miss taking a
And
bubble.
a shower.
Woo!
Our giant.
And it has a light in it.
Okay.
And let's get in here.
What's in here?
That, a closet.
Okay.
This is
A very
So
awesome closet.
look, we can clean here. See, look.
We're gonna turn this into a baby nursery.
Yeah, right.
Got all of our shelves.
No.
Our
What are we
little
gonna put-
outhouse.
And
Yeah.
look,
So cute.
Taylor wants to show the outhouse. Okay.
look, hey,
Okay.
look in here.
Nothing's in there. Okay, that's enough.